Hi, my name is Mario, and I'm a fourth year Physics and Astrophysics student at Trinity College Dublin. I am currently doing my second semester of my fourth year, so I'm in my last semester of college. That's crazy. So I already handed in my thesis on the 19th of January. It was a bit last minute. So this being my last semester, obviously I am making my classic week in the life. I've been doing this video for the last 3 years. Like back in first year and second year, I used to have chemistry labs as well, apart from physics labs. But now I have no labs. Right now we only have classes. Like that's the only thing we have. I just have to go to the classes, make sure that I'm keeping up with the lectures and prepare for the exams. I have a lot of exams actually this semester, which like makes sense because like it's the last one, so I can't complain. But yeah, I have like 7 exams. Yeah, like it's fine. So today I have a few classes, not many, I have 4. After that, we're gonna be going to the cinema. We're gonna be watching Marty Supreme. So I'll see you guys. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I think right now it's not raining. Rain, 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 rain. Oh my God. Someone get me out of here. To class. I'm on time, it's 30 past. Yo.
Building the library.
Is this like
This is the long one.
the Book of Kells? Like the...
Yeah, that's the long one.
What? Since when have you been doing this?
A few months.
Okay, so right now it is, as you can see, it's pretty late. I got back from the cinema. I watched Marty Supreme. It was pretty cool, and I am so tired. It's been a long day. I had loads of classes. It's not gonna be like this tomorrow, although I will have loads of classes. I won't be going to the cinema, and even worse, I have a 9 a.m. so I'm gonna have to wake up at 7. Okay, so I slept, not much time, but at least I did sleep. Today I have another 5 classes. Usually I have 5, today I have another 5. So I have a 9 a.m. lecture, cosmology, and then I have another 4 lectures until 6 p.m. So it's gonna be 9 to 6 p.m. I have definitely time, and I can also do some work at the library, so I have to rush, so I'll see you. Well, there's always... They have like some chicken with like sriracha mayo or something. I'm addicted to it. Where does it rain so much?
Okay.
Ooh, I'm here. It is almost 7 p.m. and it's just too many classes. Like in 2 days I had 10 classes. I don't think the brain is ready for this. But tomorrow is gonna be more exciting. Literally very improvised. A really cool thing happening in the other large university of Dublin. Basically UCD was the college that I actually applied to, like my first option, and Trinity was my second. So tomorrow we're going to UCD like midday, because there is a very big event like related to astrophysics mission from the European Space Agency. It's called LISA, the Laser Interferometry Space Antenna. I think it's like a triangle of like interferometers. So basically it's like reflect light, and they are able to like measure like if there's any difference in timing between the light being received and what it should be expected, and that's like a way to measure gravitational waves. So this is cool that I'm gonna be going back to UCD. I've only been there once in my life, and it was literally filmed in a video in 2021 when I went to visit, and my friend Brian, he gave me a tour and everything, so it's gonna be pretty cool to go back there. So I'm gonna have breakfast right now. I'm gonna go to class. I think I have modern optics, 9 a.m. And then we're going to UCD. That's gonna be it. I'm just gonna go have breakfast, go to class, and film a bit of today. Wednesday at 9 a.m. I had modern optics, and then I went to UCD with my friends to see this talk.
Well, I was here like 4 years ago. That's crazy.
Or front thing, like, underneath.
And after that, we were back for a class at 2 p.m., which was exoplanets. So I just bought some groceries and I'm gonna go down to the study room to keep studying. Bought some stuff, fruit especially, and some granola. I'm gonna go and do some studying, I think, until 6, at least 2 hours. I did a bit of optics. The professor gave us practice questions. I was doing question 1, it took me an hour. Third harmonic generation. So I am back. Basically, I haven't told you, but like today we're giving our results for the first semester. It's a bit weird because it's now the 11th of February and we did our exams at the start of December. Problem solving, known as one of the most difficult exams from the whole undergraduate course. We're gonna put you questions you've never seen in your life, try to solve them. I was expecting like 50-60%, and it was this morning after the lecture at 10 a.m. that I saw the grade. For you feel bad for me, I got a 36%. It's above 35%. It's not really a fail unless I fail one of my modules that I'm taking now. That doesn't really make that much difference, but you know, last year I actually did decently well. I got a first class honors at 71%. You know, I haven't told you about my master's application and so on, but I don't know, it felt like everything could have vanished in a second without being really like in control of the situation. So I was thinking just not sharing it on the video because like I don't have to if I didn't want to, but I feel it's like, I think it's important that I share those times that I struggle and the things don't seem like they're gonna come together. And I was aiming for high grades and I'm still gonna be aiming for high grades. Basically, the lesson that I wanted to share with you guys is that I've been showing this channel when I failed multiple times. Like I didn't get offers. I didn't get any offers in Ireland. And in the end, somehow I got the offer to Trinity. And you know, it's these moments when I do not take for granted that I'm in 4th year, that I'm studying at Trinity. This is getting started. I have 2 months and a half until my final exams. I'm not gonna throw away everything that I worked for until this point. I have a few things lined up for next year, but obviously they depend on me finishing this and doing well. So it's been a rough day, but I feel like it's important. I'm not gonna like only share when I'm doing well, because I feel like many people that watch my channel, they'll think, you know, this guy, he's always had his stuff figured out from school, then to really good college, he's doing well at college, studying a difficult course. I hope you now understand I'm not a perfect student, but I try my best. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it is Thursday. I have classes, a lot of classes actually, because this semester they just like change classes. Every week is the same, no, it like varies completely. Today I have classes from 10 to 5. It's 4 lectures. Now I finish classes at 5, but then I have an online event, Spanish community, about building AI agents. I am alone by myself in a class. I am doing some work before my next lecture, nonlinear optics, and I'm actually doing some work for the subject right now. So right now I'm just gonna do some work for an hour. But yeah, this is what a lecture looks like. This is the place where we stay most of the time. The ⴰ lecture theater. Yeah, this is the place where we live, literally. This is the other small room that we have called the ⴰ lecture room, and the other thing is the lecture theater. You can see more or less where most of the classes happen. Okay, so I finished classes an hour ago almost. This is one of the study spaces you can book at Trinity. I've been in a call kind of workshop about AI agents. 8:23 a.m. It is Friday and it is the end of the week. Today it is the actual day when I am finishing classes at 3, never have time to make progress. I have a lecture at 9, a lecture at 10, and then a lecture at 2. Right now I gotta go and rush a bit. I have a croissant in here and I have to leave.
I'm sure in 4 years you haven't paid attention to this.
I was done and I went to buy a huge bread and it was only €3. It was a nice way to end the week, a sign that I'm getting older. I have some peanut butter and banana on toast, and then I have another croissant. Don't judge me, okay? I had 2 today. It's because our freezer stopped working on Wednesday afternoon, basically having to consume everything as soon as possible. It's actually a wonderful day. The sun has gone out. So I have 2 months and a half before my final exams. I'm nervous. I'm a bit nervous. We have 7, the end. Hopefully, and it's gonna be very rough, but I have 2 months and a half to study, and I will go down to the study room of the student accommodation and I will get some work done. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe. I haven't said this in a while, but if you do like and subscribe, it's highly appreciated. Try to lock in for this exam, so I may be a bit silent on the channel, but it's for a good cause. So yes, stay tuned, and I'll keep working over here, and I hope you guys do the best, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.